Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we're working on that Dodge Magnum here that we have at the shop. You know, we've been doing engine replacements, rebuilding one of them. So we're gonna show you guys, okay, right here, how to remove and how to replace a sun visor on those. Okay, you can see the one right here, or the driver's side as well. Both of them will be the same. So what you need to do, you need to unhook it there, turn it to the front, okay, just like that. And now there is 3 screws right there, guys. That's a T20 that we're using there, and you need to go ahead and remove those screws. If your bracket here is broken as well, there is only 1 screw holding it, so you can go ahead and fix that one as well. Not very complicated there, but those screws, they don't go too easy. Okay, and you need to be holding it after the first one, because it will start dropping after that. Okay, you can see there, one is out, completely out, one is almost out, and now we're working on the third one. And check out our main channel, guys, World Mechanics. Please subscribe to our channel so we can help more people and grow more audience, so we can reach more people and help them. Okay, and once you remove it like that, guys, now the wire is right there, so we need to unhook the wire. Stay with us, we're gonna show you how to do that now. And if you guys want to do it the right way, you need to cut the wire here and connect it later, because there is no plug or anything like that, you can see. So unfortunately, you cannot remove those without cutting the wire, unless you want to drop the hole. The hole, you can see, pretty much sitting here in the car, and all that needs to come down, and that just not worth it, if you want my opinion, for just removing and replacing those. It'll be easier to just cut the wire and make a quick connection, and that way you can go ahead and install it. So at least you know, guys, before you start, you know what to expect. Thank you guys for watching. Please. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.